I'm really not sure the last time I cleaned my makeup brushes, but it looks like it's about that time that I do. I actually purchased this makeup brush cleaner on Amazon. I don't use this to clean my makeup brushes, but I do use this to dry my makeup brushes, and this has been a game changer in terms of drying. So I'm going to show you how I use it in the drying process, but some of the things that you will need, obviously the makeup brush dryer, because I'll be using it to dry. This comes with a little fishbowl type thing. It also comes with different attachments for your brushes. It comes with this spin stick which spins the brushes dry. I'm also going to be using this kind of like textured silicone pad to scrub the brushes clean. I'm going to be using some Dr. Bronner's eucalyptus soap. Usually I do regular dish soap and like coconut oil or avocado oil, but I don't have that. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1. It's a soap and it's oil based, so it kind of works to remove all the gunk from the makeup brushes. And a little bowl because I want to keep things separate. I'm going to fill this with water. I'm going to add some soap to it. There's really no specific amount of water to soap that I use. I just try not to fill it all up and kind of just soak it a little bit, or I go in with the silicone thingy. I add a little bit of Dr. Bronner's to this, and then I kind of just circle it around and around and around and around. And I like to have some sort of like dish so there's less spillage. I spin, I go back and forth, spin, back and forth. And this is my first wash. I usually do 2 washes just to make sure it scrubs clean. Put that off to the side, go on to the next one. For more denser brushes like this one, kind of press even more to the bowl, back and forth like so. I usually do this at night when baby girl is sleeping, but I figure since she is preoccupied right now, this is as good a time as any. My makeup brush collection has downsized a lot. It's made makeup easy. I don't even wear makeup like that anymore. I'm gonna be honest with you. I only wear it when I gotta go to an interview or something like that. I haven't really been wearing makeup, and if I do, it's super natural. I haven't even been putting mascara on. In terms of these double-sided brushes, I obviously can't use the makeup brush cleaner for it. I tend to do those last. The rest of these are double-sided brushes, so I'm gonna actually soak what I can here. I've been using this brush as a turmeric mask, so that's why you see this kind of yellow tint. I always like to do the eyebrow stuff last because it's really got lots of gunk in it. This is the second wash. Have a clean cup of water here. I've already cleaned the double-sided brushes off camera because you're really not gonna see anything spectacular about that. The water is clear, but I'm still gonna go in just to make sure that everything has come off. See? Super clean. Now, when it's time for me to rinse everything, I'm going to rinse these brushes using the same silicone thing, just running it under some warm water and scrubbing it till I see all the soap has come off. Now this brush I usually use for my concealer and contour, so I just want to make sure that the suds are completely white. Okay, looking good, looking good. Brushes have been cleaned a second time. I'm gonna go rinse these under some warm water. Now it's time for the fun part. For a brush like this, for example, I need to find the proper attachment. That's too big. This might be actually this is, nope, that's not. So I'm gonna connect to the spin stick. You wanna make sure that it's the perfect fit, right? Make sure it's nice and snug. So I put it in the bowl and then I spin, and all the excess water comes off. This is like my favorite part of cleaning my makeup brushes. So now she's pretty much almost dry. I'm just gonna put her to the side, continue on with the next ones. That is all she wrote. All of these brushes are dry, they're squeaky clean. I am loving this. This makes me feel so good knowing that all my brushes are clean, and I did the best that I could with these sponges. I think I'm gonna need some new ones just because all of the foundation and concealer has just been embedded in them, you know what I mean? But I did my best to kind of like soak them in some soapy water, and I did the best I could here. But with all that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will make sure to leave a link to this makeup brush cleaner in the description box down below. Even though I don't use it to clean my brushes, I use it to dry my brushes, and this has been working phenomenal for me. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace, girl.